this is how we do factors. So factors are numbers that we multiply together to get another number. So it's a way of breaking down a number. So if I was to take, for example, the number 12 and I want to find all the factors of it, I need to think what two whole numbers multiply to give the number 12. So I could do, for example, 1 times 12 is 12, or 2 times 6 is 12, or 3 times 4 is 12. So that means if I want to list all the factors of 12, then all these numbers here, 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4, those are all the numbers that are factors. So I'm just going to write them as a list. And that's how we do factors. If I then need to go on to find the highest common factor, and this is something we're going to do quite a lot of, particularly with algebra, or when we deal with fractions, then a highest common factor is when we take two numbers and we want to find the largest factor that all of them have in common. All right, so let's have a look at this example. We want to find the highest common factor of 24 and 32. So I'm going to start with the number 24 and I'm going to list all the factors of 24. So I could do 1 times 24. I could do 2 times 12 is 24. I could do 3 times 8 is 24. Or I could do 4 times 6 is 24. So those are all my factors. Now let's do the factors of 32. And so I've got 1 times 32. I've got 2 times 16. I can't do 3. I can do 4 times 8 is 32. I can't do 5, and I can't do 6, and I can't do 7. So that in fact is all of my factors. So what I want to do now is look for the ones that they have in common. So there's a 1 in both. There's a 2 in both. There's a 4 in both. An 8 in both. And so all the numbers that I've just circled there, those are the ones that they have in common. So now I want to find the highest common factor of 24 and 32. And from those numbers, 1, 2, 4, and 8, the highest number is 8. And that's how I find highest common factors.